In today's video, I am going to teach you how to choose which email to send from Aweber. This is a useful skill anytime you need to swap out a draft email in an existing automation, whether you are fixing a typo, updating your offer, or simply choosing a different message to better match your current campaign goal. We are going to do this directly inside an Aweber workflow, and the key idea is simple. You will remove the current send message block, then select the message you actually want to send, and finally save and reactivate the campaign. Start by signing into Aweber and going to the Automations area. From there, click into Workflow so you can view your automation campaigns in the visual editor. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account and list if your setup includes more than one, because the messages available to select can depend on the campaign you are editing. Next, click on the campaign you want to edit. This will open the workflow canvas, where you can see the sequence of steps and actions subscribers go through. Look through the workflow until you find the Send Message block. This block is the action that tells Aweber which email to deliver at that point in the automation. Click the Send Message block to open it, and then click Delete. This removes the currently assigned email from that spot in the workflow. Be careful to only delete the message block you intend to replace, so you do not accidentally change the timing or structure of the rest of the campaign. Now click Select Message. This is where you will pick a different draft from your list of available messages. Scroll through the list and choose the email you want to send. It helps to double-check the subject line or message name so you are selecting the correct version, especially if you have multiple similar drafts. Once you have found the right email, click Select to confirm. To finish, click Save and Exit to store your changes. Then activate the campaign so the updated workflow is live and will send the new email going forward. If your campaign was already active, make sure it is returned to an active state after saving. And that is all there is to it.